Alright guys, today we are doing shocks on a 2019 Ford Escape. First thing I'm going to do, and this will drop down a little bit, but I'm taking out this 15 millimeter nut or bolt right here. There we go. Going to do the same thing over here on the other side. Okay, I got the two 15 millimeter bolts out that hold the rear shocks on. As usual, I'll put the links down in the description for the parts where you can get them off Amazon at a reasonable price. I'm now going to go in up top and start taking it apart up there. Here I can show you the leaky strut a little bit, and I'm going to do my best to show you up here. Right there's one of the nuts, and I believe that's a 13 millimeter. And then there's another one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those gunned off a while. All right guys, I got the struts off, or the shocks I mean. So to get these nuts off this rubber mount, these are 14 also. I'm just gonna hold this with a pair of vice grips. Zip that off, got that nut off. I'm going to pull that mount off, which these rarely ever go bad. Pull the boot off here with the bump stop in it. I got that boot put on that one. I'm going to put the mount back on. And just tighten it up. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other one. Now I'm going to go up there and fish these guys back in. Now I'm doing this all without taking the wheel off. It's pretty easy to do. Just fish this up through. I'm just kind of putting these in place right now. All right, I got to tighten up top there. I'm putting the two 15 millimeter bolts in back here. There's the one. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side real quick. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this bolt up. That, my friend, is how you do rear shocks on one of these Ford Escapes. Book time calls for 1.1 hour. It really only takes about 10 or 15 minutes. So if you want to save yourself some money, go ahead and do it yourself. It's simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe.